Hi guys, it's Gecko, and today I'm bringing you the first FairyLoot unboxing of 2020. I'm really excited. The theme is Moon and Stars, I believe, or something to do with Moon and Stars. That's what the inside of the box looks like. I'm going to put it next to me so I can get into it. Moon and Stars, yes, that's the spoiler card by Raja, I believe that's the FairyLoot artist's name. And this is a list of all the things that you get in the box. I will leave this here and refer to it as and when I need to. Also, you might be wondering if I'm speaking slightly differently. I did get a piercing the other day, so it's still healing. Okay, so is this Moon and Star paper clips. That is really cool. Metal paper clips. It just says we've included them so we can add some adorable stationery to your desk, which I thought was really cool. So yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I think this is the right. No? Yes. This is Little Moon Trinket Tray. Now, I really liked the Beauty and the Beast one they did, because it said if it's not Baroque, don't fix it. And I thought that was a great pun. Now, oh wow. What are those? Oh. It's got a little FairyLoot logo on the back. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, it's upside down. That is adorable. Oh, that is really adorable. One of the problems filming like this is that they are the cats and they will be doing their cat thing. Anyway. Oh, wow. So, okay, these are called Starry Fairy Lights. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. The trinket tray was keep your pins, rings, deckers, and place for the beautiful trinket tray. We absolutely love it. I hope it sparkles up your desk or bedside table. It certainly will. These lights are okay. Okay. Little starry lights. They're so cute. I've been wanting to get some fairy lights ever since I read Radio Silence, and they have fairy lights over their beds and around their room, and I've always been like, since then, and since March last year, I've been saying to my mum, I want fairy lights. When my room gets redecorated, I want fairy lights. You know, it looks cute. And she said I could, and now I've got some to start myself off with. And that's lovely. Okay. Next we've got this little package. So one thing I do like about FairyLoot is that the packaging is always really cute, and I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's all recyclable as well. They seem like they'd be really okay. Seem like they'd be really conscious about that is what I was going to say. Okay. It's a Moon Phases necklace made by Nova and Tail for FairyLoot. And it's exclusive to FairyLoot, which I love. Now, one of my favourite series is House of Night. So for me, anything to do with the moon, especially crescent moons, is really important, because obviously that's Nyx and that's her symbol, and it's all House of Night related. And also the moon is really important in Wicca and paganism and things like that, so it's really cool to get something like this. And the moon phases are just something really accurate in society, aren't they? It's just like the moon changes and stuff. Yeah. Moving on. fell off. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so this is inspired by Even the Darkest Stars by Heather Fawcett. I don't have that book. It didn't seem like something I'd be interested in, so I got rid of it. I re-gifted it to a friend. And I hope she loves it more than I would have done. So this is the Dragon keychain. And it's inspired by the Darkest Stars, and it was made by Dustin Pages. And it's not just extremely cute, which it is. The stars also glow in the dark. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm putting it right on my keychain right now. Because I need more FairyLoot keys on my keychain. The only one I had was the one from their December 2017 box. Now I have two, and it's a dragon, and oh, it's a dragon. Things like that really matter to me. Ooh, oh, that is very pretty. Oh, there's something written on the back. The Freedom Books, Flowers, the Moon. With freedom, books, flowers, the moon, who could be happier? Oscar Wilde. That is genuinely beautiful. Oh yes, oh yes. And you can see the freedom of the books and the moon and the flowers. I'm assuming there's flowers somewhere. There probably is. Yes. There's vines and stuff somewhere. But yes, this is a very beautiful cushion cover. It's a beautiful quote from Oscar Wilde, whom I recently learnt was not a fan of Dickens. In Dickens' lifetime, which is quite fun. Becky Thorne's Designs made that. The Dreamy Moon pillowcase. Oh, I love that. Ooh. You have me until the last star in the galaxy dies. You have me. That's a very shiny notebook. All starry. And this is from the Luminaire files. It's on my TBR. I need to read it, but oh, that is cute. Very shiny. And next we have the next two tarot cards in the series, and they are definitely doing all the tarot cards and not just the major arcana, which I love. I love that they're doing all of them, which means you can have a usable deck at the end of it, although you can just use the major arcana. So these are very beautiful. I have no idea who. Oh, pardon me. I have no idea who they are. And they are designed by Gabriella Bezdozo. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, Gabriella. And are inspired by An Ember in the Ashes by Saba Tahir. I love An Ember in the Ashes. And we have the Queen and the King of Cups, respectively. And it's such a beautiful design. All of these tarot cards look incredible. I've got them upstairs in my room. And when I can't find a bookmark or I have a book from the library and I can't use the flaps, the hardcovers, I'm using the tarot cards, and honestly, they make such great bookmarks. Before I've got the full set, so... Ooh, this is a very hardcover. Right, so let's take out all the stuff that comes in the secret pouch. Right, so put the book down first. Put the book in the box. That's probably a good idea. So first thing we have are these Woven in Moonlight stickers, which is different. I can't speak Spanish, but I know hola means hello. And the gracias means thank you. But these stickers are really cute. Who are they on there? these are not on the spoiler card. So I'm guessing they're an extra to promote the book. We have the gorgeous bookmark that matches the design here. And that is incredible. Siri, get out. And so we have the note by the author that's, you know, with character art on the back, and the character art was designed by Cat B Draws. I think that is absolutely stunning, character art. And I love the art on the author's note. I think that is lovely too. This is going to go upstairs. This bookmark's going to go upstairs in my bookmark mark. And finally, for the little bits, we have the fairy skew, which tells you a little bit about the book, how the cover is different. Oh, the cover's black. I might have to get the original edition as well. Oh, she's from Florida. She has Bolivian immigrant parents. Get out of it. Sorry, my cats have seen the FairyLoot box and they want to get in it. And it's just an interview about how she wrote it. Describe the book in 5 words: magical, lush, colourful, scrumptious, and romantic. That sounds interesting. Oh wow. So the sequel's called... okay, I haven't told you what the book is. It's Woven in Moonlight by Isabel Ibanez, I want to say. And it's a very different cover to what FairyLoot normally does. Which obviously, because it's just the same, it's just a different colour. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, that is nice. Oh, okay. It's even got a star and moons embossed on it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's, wow. And this copy of Woven by Moonlight is signed by the author. I love that little big cat that I can't tell the difference between. And then I love these. I don't know if you can see it because I can't. See, this is beautiful. We've got llamas, we've got, I think that's a lemur, that's an owl, there's snakes. She's in the jungle, he's in a room that looks like a jungle. Just a lot going on. I love it. I really do love it. I love it. Honestly, I love it. It's so much going on. But at the same time, it's just really well done, and I love the simplicity of the art style, but how complicated it. Oh, a lush tapestry of magic, romance, and revolution, and story and inspiration from Bolivian politics and history. Oh wow. Okay. And the sequel is called Written in Starlight. Say hi to Isabel on social media, and she's also a graphic designer specialising in greetings cards, which is fun. And the read along will start on the 10th of February, and Cody is our host. So, okay, and finally, next month's theme, which is Rule Breakers, which will have a ceramic mug for fans of Serpent and Dove will not want to miss. Now, I still need to read that. More thoughts will be in my wrap up at the end of the month. But yes, the theme is Rule Breakers, and the feature book of the month is a swoon-worthy Slytherin romance where the characters have unapologetically questionable morals. Oh, that's how you get my heart into a fantasy. The main characters devise a plan to woo and marry the king, only to kill him. Okay. And at the bottom it has a quote from Katharine Hepburn, and it says, "If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun," which is true. So that was the January FairyLoot unboxing. I'm now going to put all the papery bits, like the stuff that came out of the bag, back in the bag because I don't want to lose them. I always put that at the bottom of the bag. I'm going to take out the purple things because I promised someone I'd give them to them. There's a lot going on. These will be going upstairs. Most of this will be going up actually. Apart from this. Idea. There's probably a better way of doing that. Yeah, see, this is the thing I'm going to have with these. This chain is far too short. But it'll fit nicely in there. I will get another chain because that is really pretty and I probably would wear that. It's just that the chain is really short. And seriously, a bird. I love it when she does it. I really hope that picked up because you never get her on camera doing those chirps. It's absolutely adorable. Oh, big yawn. Now she's pretending I don't exist, which is normal. Right. So, this wraps up my FairyLoot unboxing. It was fun. The reason I decided to film down here was because I'm always so eager to open it that I never get a chance to go upstairs, get ready and film. I'm always like, I have to open it right now because there's a lot. Hi baby, are you gonna... You are not getting on the table. I'm filming on the table. Oh, she's getting on the... Ooh. There's so much stuff here that she's like, I'm going to jump on the table anyway. Can you see her yet? Is she there? There she is. I don't know how well you can see her because I can't see properly. Oh, it's quite good actually. Well, I guess I can put featuring a cat in the title. Hello Siri. Yes, her name's Siri. This angle is way too close. But she's literally standing right where my camera was, so there's not much I can do. You are not sitting on my bookmark. Yeah. And this is why I don't film in this room. She's now going to sniff everything. There she is. She's sitting right where I was filming. Hi. Hello. Can you not? Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you have a lovely day. I will catch you in my next video and hashtag they're classy.